my amazing creative friends, Oksancia here again. Today I am answering a question that pops up a lot, which is, can I make any kind of a good income, even full-time income, by selling my artwork and repeat pattern designs online? And I'm here to give you a few tips how to make that happen, because my answer is yes. Alright, you guys, so I am a textile designer, a self-employed textile designer. I started my practice and my work 11 years ago, and since then I have built a steady flow of income, which is a passive income, through my repeat pattern designs. I sell them on multiple websites. I have a video about that as well. I just recently created a video, and I also wanted to tell you my story, how I grew from having just a few files and learning how to create them to a steady full-time income. So, to create that for yourself, you need to remember two important things. First of all, you need to be creating regularly. Many people feel like they want to create 10 designs, or maybe you created a few designs back in your art school days, or just as a leisure time, and now you want to make full-time income from those 10 designs. I am here to tell you this is not the reality. This is not how it works. You most likely want to sell your designs, which I get it. I was excited about it, made a long time ago, and I still am. I talk a lot about that on this channel, and it's very possible, but at the same time your 10 first designs probably are not very good from the commercial standpoint. You're not sure what to sell. You're just a beginner. Many of you are just learning how to draw, so it will not happen that you will just start selling 10 designs will bring you a full-time income. No, it takes a few years. First of all, you need to learn how to draw your elements. You need to learn basics of design. Then you need to start creating regularly. And then the second point, a major point that merges creating regularly together, is with a second point is that you need to be uploading to multiple websites. I've been talking about that in a separate video, a recent video. I will link it down in the description box below. But basically, you cannot expect from just uploading a few patterns to Spoonflower or Redbubble and then making a full-time income. That's not how it works. You can start getting income from one site better than the other, but at the same time, it is definitely, when you put them all together, you get well-rounded, start getting well-rounded income. All right, so in my case, I was basically, first few years, I'm self-taught designer, so I was definitely working on my skills and developing my drawing style as well as design style, but at the same time I was selling already. This really helped me, because I was putting my images out there, seeing what worked, seeing what I liked, seeing what my customers purchased, and then I can make decisions based on that. If you're just working in a bubble, making a few images here and there, they will not be making your full-time income or any kind of income. But at the same time, even just making $100 per month, what will that be to your budget, right? Even for my budget, if I can figure out a way how to sell my patterns better and make $100 per month more, I am excited even now, right? So at the same time, what I wanted to tell you, so you want to know if you can make any real income. Many people who already started selling, they say that, oh, I just got 20 cents. I just got a sale. I'm excited, but it's just 25 cents or $1 or even $5. How am I going to feed myself and my family on this money? It's because they are not understanding the bigger picture of basically compounding effect of one artwork uploaded to multiple websites. This is definitely what works for me. I have a whole list of websites that I sell on, and then each of them brings in a few hundred here, a few tens of dollars here per month, and then together they make a good income. it is a good strategy because it's diversification, like in an investment portfolio, if you guys familiar with that. If you diversify the streams of your income, then if any of those websites would crash or be sold to wrong people, then all of a sudden you have still all those other websites working for you. So now you can say, okay, I get it, so I need to have different websites. How do I go about it? First of all, if you're a complete beginner, number one, I recommend starting drawing and working on your elements, because you need to draw your elements to be able to create patterns. But otherwise, at the same time, you can create textures and you can create geometric patterns without drawing. So it's, if you do not like to draw, you still can be a good designer. It's okay, but drawing definitely helps. Number two, you need to learn how to make digital patterns. I'm a big believer in vector patterns, because in my experience, vector patterns sell much 10 times better than raster. So here it is. And the next, you need to learn how to save your patterns for all those particular different websites, and they have specific requirements. A lot of them are similar, but sometimes they are a little bit different from each other. And then you need to learn which websites are actually good, which actually will sell your artwork, so that you don't have to spend time signing up and going through all the process with the website that doesn't work. I have a few free videos on this channel about which particular websites I recommend and I use. One, I will link it down below. I also have a list of all the links that I recommend. I tested all of these websites, they work well, so you can start there. And if you want to go into more detail about that, I have also a video about how to create a passive income stream for textile designers and how to sell online. So I will link all of the videos in the playlist down below. And if you want even more system and structure to set it up, and you make sure that you are working on the right things and in the shortest period of time start selling, then I have my favorite Pattern It Up online course that I created just for this purpose, where I walk my group of students step by step through the whole process and give feedback and helping them with all the requirements, as well as my past students to help with that, as well as the whole community. Alright, you guys, so this is basically my advice to sum up. Yes, you can make a very good income selling your repeat pattern designs, but one, you have to be consistent with this, you have to be willing to get better, and two, you have to know where to sell and sell to on a range of different websites to put all the income from them together and diversify. Alright, you guys, I am happy to talk to you today. Thank you so much. Please give me a like if you like this video and you want me to create more videos like that, just like this one, and also subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about these topics like textile design, Adobe Illustrator tutorials, and creating a awesome creative business for yourself. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Grow, love, and create. Bye!